Hello and welcome to my channel. I just want to do a quick video here on engine oil when you have serviced your car at home and you want to get rid of it the easiest way. That's the way I do it. I have one of these containers here like this. I just get the old engine oil container and then I put a funnel on top and then just basically fill the oil back into the oil container. So fill her up. See the side there, Evan, as much coming up. You can see myself there. See then, I'll show the edge. You can see it rising up there. So you fill it all in like this. And and then just let it drain like that into the container, and then put the lid in it, and then bring it to your local recycling centre. And that's how I do it, and it's a simple trick just showing for everyone out there. And yes, hope this video is helpful out there to anyone that's changing their oil and wants to get rid of their old oil. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Have a good day.